In this video, I'm going to demonstrate a nested if function like the one that we talked about in class on Thursday morning. So, in our textbook, in the Talent Tracks workbook that we've been using, the next step is to create a column for bonuses for the employees, and there are 3 tiers for the bonuses. As you can see from the flowchart, the pay grade 1 employees get a bonus of $2,500. The pay grade 2 employees get $5,000, and the pay grade 3 people, which would be everyone else, get $7,500. So let's go to the worksheet and take a look at how this actually works. I'm going to add another column and call it bonus. And then in this particular worksheet, I'm going to go ahead and use the dialog box to build the function. And so my first logical test is going to capture the people from pay grade 1. So I'm going to use the structured references because I've got the data in a table, and remember that once you put it in a table, the column heading can then be used to refer to all of the cells in that particular column. So I'm going to just type an open bracket. The structured references go in brackets, and then a close bracket, and equal 1. And so if the pay grade equals 1, I'm just going to scroll over here so we can see the bonuses. If the pay grade is equal to 1, then they get the bonus for pay grade 1, which is in cell Y2. So I'm going to click on Y2. Then I need to make that an absolute cell reference, otherwise when the function gets copied it will not work. So I'm going to press the F4 key on my keyboard. Now down here in the value of false, I'm going to nest another if function. So I'm just going to type in the function name if and open parentheses. And then I'm going to do my logical test, which would be pay grade equal 2. I want to check for the people who are pay grade 2. And I'm going to type a comma. That switches me to the value of true for the nested function. And those people whose pay grade is 2 receive the $5,000 bonus, which is in cell Y3. And again, I'm going to be sure to make that an absolute. And then I'm going to type a comma for the value of false for the nested function. Now I've already asked Excel to search for the people whose pay grade is 1 and whose pay grade is 2. So all I have left now are the pay grade 3 people. So I don't need to nest another if function for them. I've already excluded everybody else. So I'm going to go ahead then and just click on cell Y4 and make that an absolute cell reference. I'm going to close the parenthesis on that nested function, and then I'm going to go ahead and click OK. And so then if I check down the column here, I can see this first person is actually a pay grade 3, and he's getting the correct bonus. Let's look at one of these $5,000 bonuses and check the pay grade, and I can see that that is correct as well. and my $2,500 bonus is also correct. So as a last step, I'm going to go ahead and apply the accounting number format to that, and I'm also going to apply it to my salary increase column because I forgot to do it at the end of the last video. Okay, so that is the nested if function using the dialog box. And as I demonstrated in class on Thursday, you can also build the function by typing it out.